Bitcoin revolution begins now. In recent years, Bitcoin has grown from a niche digital experiment into a global financial revolution. What began as a decentralized alternative to traditional currency is now at the forefront of economic innovation. The Bitcoin revolution isn't coming, it's already here, and it's gaining momentum like never before. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency created in 2009 by an anonymous person, or group, known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies, it isn't controlled by any government or central bank. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Why is it a revolution? Bitcoin is not just a new way to pay, it's a whole new way to think about money. For the first time, people have complete control over their own finances, without needing permission from banks or governments. This is especially important in countries with unstable economies or restricted access to financial services. Moreover, Bitcoin is limited in supply, only 21 million coins will ever exist. This scarcity, combined with growing demand, has made Bitcoin not only a digital currency but also a store of value, some even call it digital gold. Global adoption is growing. Major companies are now accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. Institutions are investing billions. Countries like El Salvador have adopted Bitcoin as legal tender, and others are exploring similar options. Crypto wallets, exchanges, and payment apps are becoming more user-friendly, bringing Bitcoin closer to everyday use. Opportunities and risks. With revolution comes opportunity, but also risk. Bitcoin offers financial freedom, fast global transactions, and protection against inflation. But its value can be volatile, and scams are common in the crypto space. Education and caution are key. The future of finance. The Bitcoin revolution is part of a larger trend toward decentralized finance, DeFi, where people can lend, borrow, and invest without traditional intermediaries. Blockchain technology promises a more open, transparent, and secure financial system for everyone. Final thought. The Bitcoin revolution has begun, and it's not just about money. It's about empowerment, transparency, and freedom. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or someone curious about the future of finance, now is the time to learn, explore, and be part of this digital transformation.